PSLE is coming. Can you solve this 2015 PSLE math question? And the question goes, Isha uses rods to form figures that follow a pattern. The first four figures are shown below. How many rods would he use for figure 30? So in this case, we can create a table where we have the figure and the number of rods. So figure 1, we have 10. Figure 2, we have 15. Figure 3, we have 18. And figure 4, we have 23. So from here, can you find out, I will call it adding pattern. So from figure 1 to figure 2, we actually add 5. From figure 2 to figure 3, we add 3. And from figure 3 to figure 4, we actually add 5. So in this case, let's add 2 more so we can actually see the whole pattern. So if you were to draw out the rods, then for figure 5, we actually add 3, and this will give us 26 rods. And then for figure 6, we actually add 5, and this will give us 31 rods for figure 6. Then from here, can you find a pattern? So if you were to say that, oh, actually we can separate this between odd and even. So for the odd figures 1, 3, 5, the adding pattern is plus 8. For even figure, it also plus 8. So the question asks how many rods are there in figure 30. So do you think figure 30 is even or odd? If you guess even, then you're right, because 30 can be divided by 2. So in this case over here, we know that number 2 is the first even number. Number 4 is the second even number, and the 6 is the third even number. So what is 30? What is the position of its even number? So in this case, if you were to guess in this 15, then you're right. So we just have the number 30 divided by 2. That's how we know 2, 4, 6 is the first, second, and third even number. So now we know this. This will actually help us to get the number of rods. So usually for figure 2, we will then have 15, which is the first even number. Figure 4, we have 23. Figure 6, we have 31. And we're figuring out figure 30. So if you look from the table, for figure 4, which is the second even number, we add 15 plus 8. So 15 is the starting number. For figure 6 is the third even number. So that means we have 15 plus 8 plus 8. Now you can roughly see a adding pattern over here. So if you were to have done this kind of question, usually the equation will then be the starting number 15 plus then in this case the position number, so the first even number minus 1, and the adding which is 8. So in figure 2, since it's the first even number is 15. For figure 4, it's the second even number. So in this case, it's 15 plus bracket 2 minus 1 multiplied by 8. For figure 6, since it's the third even number, then it's 3 minus 1 times 8 plus 15. This guy give us 31. So for figure 30, can you use the equation to find out the total number of rods? If you were to just say 15 plus bracket 15 minus 1 times 8, then you are right. So in this case, the final answer will be 127. That's how you solve this PSLE math question.